It's Trishan, owner of Big Doe Hair Extensions. For those of you who may not know and maybe watch one of my videos for the first time, I sell raw Indian hair amongst many other things. If you're interested in that, you can go to www.bigdoehairextensions.com. So this video is going to kind of piggyback off of another video that I did starring rice water. So I decided that I wanted to do kind of like a rice water challenge for about a month to see if I achieve some hair growth. So this past weekend was my first time actually using the rice water. So I wanted to let it ferment for 2 days, but I ended up just doing it for 24 hours. So what I did was I used jasmine rice. I put probably about 3 tablespoons in a ball mason jar, and then I filled it with water. And then after 24 hours, I kind of just poured that into this bottle. So this bottle is an old leave-in conditioner bottle that I just poured the rice water into. And after I washed and conditioned my hair, I went on and I sprayed this in each of the sections, let it sit, and then I rinsed it out. To be honest, for that first time, I really couldn't tell much of a difference. So the hype about rice water is that it's, like I said before, it's supposed to help you achieve faster hair growth. It's supposed to be rich in vitamins B, B, C, and E, I think. So it's supposed to just provide extra nutrients to your hair, and the amino acids are supposed to help kind of like rejuvenate the hair. So I'm going to use this for about a month, and I'll of course let you guys know if I see any results. So that is part of what I wanted to talk about. I'll probably end up inserting a clip of me putting the rice water in my hair. Maybe at the end of the video I'll insert it. At some point in the video it will be inserted so that you guys can see me actually applying the rice water to my hair. The other thing I wanted to talk about is the edge tamer. So right now it's the holiday time. If you celebrate Christmas, then you're out. If you're late like me, still getting gifts, stocking stuffers. So edge tamer is the perfect stocking stuffer if you have teenagers, or even if you're shopping for an adult that likes to lay those edges. This is the perfect stocking stuffer, and it is on sale right now. I actually have my braids done with it, so this is kind of like my go-to style because I am natural. So I normally wear my hair in these 2 braids, and I actually did have my hair styled using my very own edge tamer, and it is alcohol free. You can also get this on my website. You can go to bigdoehairextensions.com and purchase this. I also have a deal right now. You can get 2 for the price of 1, and the price is reduced, so go ahead and check that out. I want to show you guys about how much I use for these 2 braids, and I do have thick hair. So it is clear, and this is about how much I use. This jar is a 4-ounce jar, by the way. I'll show you what a full jar looks like so you can kind of compare the two. And this does not flake, as you can see. It doesn't turn white, as you can see. It doesn't dry hard, but it does dry firm, if that makes sense. But I love it because there's no alcohol in it. Many edge controls or edge glazes dry out your hair. This is not one of them, which is why I'm so excited to be able to provide it to the public. Again, if you're interested, you can go to bigdoehairextensions.com. And for people that have been asking me about the lip gloss, to be quite honest with you, I'm really plain Jane. I put some chapstick or some car mix, and then I'll put a little bit of gloss on top of that. So the gloss that I have on right now is called High Shine, and it's a nude I got from Forever 21. It was super inexpensive. I actually had got 2 other colors, but God only knows what happened to those. This is like my go-to gloss because where I live at, okay, it's cold and nobody wants dry cracked lips, so you need to keep your lips moisturized. This goes on like butter. One of my favorite glosses is the NYX brand because it is so smooth. This actually reminds me of it for a portion of the cost, okay? So I'm gonna put some on right now. Goes on like butter. And I got this from Forever 21 at the front of the store when I was checking out, okay? So if you guys have any questions or comments, you can leave those below. I appreciate you guys for watching, and until next time. I got my rice water. So right now I got some conditioner in my hair, and it's the Tresemme Moisture Rich conditioner, and I'm just going to add my rice water to this section here. This was a spray bottle that was a leave-in conditioner that's all gone, so I just rinsed it out, and now I'm putting the rice water in it. Trying not to expose myself, even though I ain't exposed that much because I ain't got much up there, but still. So just trying to work it into the scalp, and then I will use one of the clips to let it sit, and then I'll go to the next section. So I'll let you guys know what I think about it when I'm all through adding the conditioner. Shrinkage is so real.